Hey guys, my name's Will, and this is a video of the Carrier Weathermaker 9200 furnace at this house that we rent every year at our lake. So, it has a Carrier coil with the TXV, so it was installed in 2012, Carrier, and they also got a new filter dryer in 2012. So, it's a beautiful installation. It's a 2-zone system. This is the control board for the zoning. Sorry, the lighting's not very good back there. Here's where it says Carrier Weathermaker 5200 Ultra Efficient for gas furnace. It looks exactly like my grandma and grandpa's, except for my grandma and grandpa's is more of a tan color. It's a Carrier Weathermaker Infinity. So this is an A.O. Smith draft inducer, and it is 91% efficient. See, here's flue pipes, PVC. I don't have very many videos of 90% furnaces, but there's the little thing they use to clean out the drain there. So yeah, it's a great install. It's quiet. There's the filter access. You can't see that. Yeah. Focus. Yeah. So looking up, right there's the thing that controls the zones. And let's look at the condensate stuff here. So we have this coming out of the evaporator coil. And that goes, looks like it sort of goes down there. It's like a trap. And then down there. And then there's a T, because this is a condensing furnace. And it goes down there and into the drain. It was a beautiful job cooling the house. It's matched up with 2003 3.5-ton Bryant air conditioner, which I will be making a video of momentarily. So, this is a Carrier, and this is a Carrier. The outdoor unit is a Bryant, and that, we follow the pipes here. There's a million gas lines, and the Bryant is right out there. So yeah. I'll show you the thermostat, I guess. Beautiful house. And there's the Honeywell thermostat. It's interesting because if you turn it, it's sort of like digital. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.